But you're saying here, and I understand that she lied under oath.
Stunning new revelations tonight regarding a juror from the high-profile Lindsey Lowe trial. The original trial. It could mean that Lowe, a woman convicted 9 years ago of killing her newborn twins, gets a new day in court. Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining us. I'm Rory Johnston.
And I'm Carrie Sharp. Lowe and her attorney have argued in court this week she did not get a fair trial. Now, in this exclusive report, News Channel 5's Nick Barris tells us there may be an issue with a so-called stealth juror with an agenda who lied to get on the jury and influence the verdict.
If that indeed proves to be the case, that a person with a bias against Lindsey Lowe lied to get on the jury, legal experts tell me there's a very good chance that Lowe will get a new trial. Lowe's new attorney, Kim Hoddy, stunned the court with this revelation. She showed a questionnaire taken under oath by a prospective juror who was asked if she had formed an opinion about Lowe. Her answer, that she, Lowe, lied and killed her two newborns. Later, during jury selection, also under oath, that same person was questioned by both the DA and the judge. She again was asked if she had an opinion if Lowe is guilty or not guilty. This time, the answer was no.
You're saying here, and I understand that she lied under oath. Is that what you're saying? That's what you're alleging, and that's what the proof is?
I believe that's what the proof is. I'm going to be gentle about the way that I couch it, Your Honor, but we do have a significant inconsistency between a jury questionnaire and the answers that she gave under oath to the court.
Generals, were you aware of that?
The DA said he was aware of the defense filing. Lowe's trial attorney, John Pellegrin, said had he known about the juror's bias, he never would have let her on the jury. After the trial, his staff spoke to an alternate juror about the juror in question,
who said that she had strong opinions from the beginning against Lindsey Lowe and for guilt.
The concern is that this juror perjured herself to get on the jury with an agenda to convict. Lowe's own father, Mark Lowe, testified to the woman's reaction in court when she learned that she had been chosen for the jury.
She goes, yes, and then looks around just a little bit with her eyes, wondering if anybody saw her.
I did call this juror to ask about this situation. She said she would not be making any comment and then hung up. Nick Barris, News Channel 5.
There will be much more to come on this issue. This week's hearing for a new trial should wrap up tomorrow. If the criminal court judge does not grant it, then the case will then go to the appellate court.